To get started with the Jet-Opaque brands of paper, print the image on a coated side of paper, right reading. Note: do not mirror the image. Next, you may trim the unprinted areas of the transfer away if you don't want a white border on the shirt. Prior to transferring the image to the fabric, you need to prepare it by ensuring the surface is clean, dry, and wrinkle-free by using a lint roller and your heat press. You are now ready to transfer the image to the fabric. First, bend a corner to make removing the backing paper from the printed image easier. Strip away the paper and dispose of it. Place the transfer paper on top of the garment with the image side up. Then completely cover the image with one sheet of parchment paper or silicone sheet. Press for 30 seconds at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius using medium pressure of 30 to 45 psi or 2 to 3 bar. After the paper has cooled to room temperature, peel away the ironing sheet in a smooth, even motion.
To get started with